Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have what you need: a compatible device, enough battery, and storage. First, open your App Store and search a trusted live wallpaper host. Install it. Once installed, grant only necessary permissions like storage access. Avoid unnecessary permissions. Next, open the host app and select the Marketplace or Import option. You will download an anime live wallpaper package or a video file. Choose the smallest test file first to confirm performance before proceeding with larger, higher res. Now import your anime clip or animated image into the host app. Use MP4 or animated WebP for reliability. Avoid heavy codecs. Once imported, trim the start and end points so the loop feels seamless. Then set playback options. Enable loop, adjust frame rate to 24-30 FPS for smoothness, and pick resolution that matches your screen to reduce scaling. Make sure audio is off unless you want sound. Save the preset and preview. If it lags, lower resolution or frame rate. Apply the wallpaper through the host app or your system's wallpaper settings and confirm it appears on home screen. Observe performance for a minute. Smooth transitions mean success. If you encounter stutter or battery drain, close background apps, lower wallpaper resolution, or switch frame rate down. If it fails to apply, clear the host app cache, reboot the device, and re-import the file in a different format like animated WebP. Finally, make one change at a time so you can identify which fix worked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.